Hello. What do you think may happen if a magician tangles a rubber band around his fingers? I suppose some magic should happen. Please take a look on a rubber band. As you can see, it's a regular, normal rubber band. I will loop the rubber band around my fingers. As you can see, the rubber band is all around my fingers. Let me say the magic word. Abracadabra, bram-boom. Wow! The rubber band simply went through my hand. And it's intact. How do I do it? The answer is simple, by magic. And yes, you may find out how we do magic at www.ifyoudoit.com. Have fun!